Hello everyone. Today in the beauty room we're going to be talking about lavender oil for skin and hair and bites and how to use it. Lavender oil has long been regarded as a very safe, effective antifungal substance that will help you with bites, it will help you with dandruff, it will help you with hair loss, and of course, as everyone knows, lavender oil will help you go to sleep much easier. It truly is an amazing oil and you can use it for so many things. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is hair care. Lavender oil is absolutely truly amazing for your hair and your scalp. Now the way to use it is to find in the health shop or online some shampoo that is just shampoo base. No fragrance, no maximum amount of chemicals, just a shampoo base with nothing else added to it. Then go ahead to a reputable site and find some lavender oil, and when you get it, put 10 drops of lavender oil into the bottle if it's a 100 ml bottle. So 10 drops to 100 mils. Then mix it all up and wash your hair with it, and you will be amazed at the results you will get. Number one, it will take away your dandruff. Number two, it will help your hair to stop shedding and falling out. Number three, it will give you most beautiful lustrous hair, shiny, and a very beautiful fragrance in your hair every time you use it. It's truly amazing what it will do. So if you have dandruff, if you have hair fall, if you would like your hair to appear more thickened and more healthy, go ahead and use lavender oil mixed with a shampoo base that doesn't have anything else added to it. That's the first one. Now the second one is truly amazing also. Tea tree oil is very well regarded to get rid of lice out of your hair. Did you know that lavender oil is the second best thing to use to rid yourself of lice? So if you have a very bad infestation of lice, well, clearly you have to go to the doctor or you'll have to go to the chemist to get something. And a chemist, by the way, in Australia is a drugstore in America, but you'll have to go to the chemist to find some treatment that will help the heavy infestation. But if you have a light infestation, go ahead and use lavender oil. It is truly an amazing substance that will help kill off the lice, the eggs, and then use the shampoo again to shampoo the rest of it out. It truly is amazing. And these are wonderful home remedies that you can use before you have to resort to go and use chemical treatments on your hair. So if the home remedies work first, that's fantastic. Look, if they don't work, you have to resort to other things, and that's fine too. So give that a go for getting rid of lavender oil for lice. Now the other thing that lavender oil is very good for is for anti-aging. You can put a number of drops into your moisturiser tub, and again what I would suggest is you just get a plain base of moisturiser. Now there's plenty of those in the health shop that it's got no fragrance, there's very little chemicals in them, there might be a little preservative, but that's it. And I would suggest that you then, if you get a 50-gram tub, put 5 drops of lavender oil into it and then mix it up. Mix it all in and use that on your skin, and it's very, very good for anti-aging on your skin. Lavender oil has been known for many, many years, for many eons of time, has been used to be put on your skin. So you can feel confident that if you have if you are into home remedies, you are into making your own recipes for these sorts of things, you can use lavender oil absolutely for your skin. Also, it will help if you have any breakouts on your skin, if you have any hormonal breakouts, or if you have a few pimples, or if you use lavender oil with the cream, you will find that that will heal a lot faster than they would if you just leave it. So lavender oil also has amazing healing properties. Now you can use it on bites, and I'm talking about smallish bites. I'm not talking about snake bites or, funnel web bites or redback spider bites or anything like that that's going to kill you. I'm talking about just, bites that you might have, an insect bite, an ant bite, a mozzie bite, something like that. You can use it on that to help subside, and you can use it neat on the skin if you have a bite. So what I would suggest is you get a Q-tip, dab a bit into the lavender oil, and then dab that onto the bite. That will help amazingly. Number one, it will help take down the searing pain that you get from it, like even from a mosquito bite, you know, the burning sensation that you have. It will take that down, but also it will heal it very quickly, and it will stop it from the venom of the bite to be going any further. So these types of things you can use for lavender oil because it has antifungal properties and antibacterial properties. Even if you get a fungus on your finger or on your toes, you can try using lavender oil first to try to help kill that fungal infection. Again, if it's not working, you may have to resort to chemical things. You might have to go to the doctor. But again, if you try the home remedy first and it works, that's fantastic. Now, the other thing that you can use lavender oil for is for bruises, and you can mix it with jojoba oil and then put a few drops of lavender oil into the jojoba oil and then rub it over the bruise gently. That will help. It's sort of like a hero cream that will take away the bruising and the darkness of the skin. So that's something that you can also use for lavender oil. The other thing you can use is lavender oil is on eczema, on dermatitis, but again, you have to use it with oils. Now, some people have told me that it flares up their skin more, and it may well do that for those people and their skin, but it is something that has been used over time to help relieve the itchiness of the dermatitis. So that is also something that you can try to use that will help relieve the itchiness. Now, it might not take away the dermatitis, it might not, remove the dermatitis, but at least it will relieve it. And really, that's a problem when you've got any sort of itchy, dry skin. You want to relieve that itchiness. And again, for your skin type, if you've got a dry skin type, you can use lavender oil along with other oils such as jojoba, rosehip oil, avocado oil, anything that is really light on your skin. You can use that along with it to help the dryness on your skin. The other thing you can use lavender oil for your dry skin, and even for any skin type really, unless you're not allergic to lavender oil, is a spritzer. So you can get some spring water, you can add a few drops of lavender oil to that, mix it up and just use it as a spritzer over your face when you're feeling heat, when you're feeling sweaty, when you're having a bit of a hot flush. Absolutely perfect for that because it has also amazing calming properties. So please do try that because that's something that will really help you if you do have redness, if you have flushing, if you have hot flushes, if you have anxiety. A spritzer with lavender oil is absolutely perfect. Now, of course, lavender oil has been known throughout the world and throughout time for its relaxing properties. So lavender oil is the most beautiful thing to use at night if you have insomnia. I actually have lavender oil on my site here. It's a beautiful lavender oil, and go ahead and check it out just to see what is actually available there. It actually has an inhaler, so you can actually just put the lavender oil into the inhaler and then you can press it and all you do is inhale it. You can inhale it, you can use it as a vaporizer, you can put it on a tissue, you can put it on a makeup pad, you can just smell it again, as I say, inhaling, and all these types of things will help you move into a very relaxed state to be able to go to sleep. Now, the other thing that lavender oil does for you is that it calms your mind, and it calms the thinking in your mind. It's absolutely miraculous the way it works. And when it starts calming down your mind, then the rest of your body has the ability to relax itself. So if you're having an anxiety attack or if you wake up in the middle of the night and you're thinking about all the things that you said, that you worried about, that you shouldn't have said, all the things that you've done, that you shouldn't have done, you're just going around in your head all the time, go reach for the lavender oil, have an inhale of it, and it will start calming your mind down. It's amazing how it works. I just love it, and I use mine all the time because I get very stressed, and some nights I wake up in the middle of the night, I'm thinking about all sorts of things, and I use the lavender oil just to put myself back to sleep again. And what I find is when I use it, I actually do have a much more heavier sleep and a much more restful sleep. And I know this because when I wake up in the morning, all the blankets aren't so mussed up and they're not everywhere compared to nights that I haven't used lavender oil. So I hope this has helped you today. I hope it's something that you can use. There will be some things that you can take away from it. There'll be some things that you can ignore. It's really up to you what you want to take away from it. So the other thing is just to make sure if things do keep on going and they start to get worsened, you do need to go and see a doctor for those things. Now, the thing I really would like you to do is give me a like. If you like the video, press the like button because that will help me in the ranks of YouTube. Also, go ahead and subscribe for me because that way, when you subscribe and click the bell, you will be able to get all those upload notifications when I've uploaded a video. All right, guys, well, you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.